Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a scrap 5 process video. A bunch of us have been given a 5 prompts that we have to use this month, and we'll all be using them today, so make sure you follow along to all those down below. Also, I am playing along with, or joining in I should say, for Crafting with Amanda, her 1,000 Subbie giveaway celebration hop. So, also, linked down below. And Amanda wanted us to be inspired by the color blue. So I have gone into my How to Kill a Kit with Style, grabbed a ton of blue things. I've got these 2 photos of my son and all his daycare buddies from a while ago, chilling on the front porch with the cute shirts that they made. So I'm going to cover up most of their faces. You guys got to see just a glimpse of them, but I will be covering them up so you won't see them. But I'm going to use those 2 photos. I'm going to turn the sketch. So for scrap 5 today, we were given this sketch was item number 1. So I'm going to turn it. I'm not a huge fan of the double fishtail thing that's like flared out. I don't really like that. So we're going to do something else, but we're going to use this sketch. We're supposed to use a throwback item, and we are like something that's been in our stash forever that we haven't used in a long time, a stencil, torn paper, and ribbon. So I'm going to go ahead and get some of this stuff put down, and I'll show you what I'm doing here just in a second. Okay, so I've got my photos trimmed down. They're 4 1/4 by 3 1/4, and then I matted them on red from the Ellie Studio 6x8 pad that's in my How to Kill a Kit with Style. I cut this paper down to some about 4-inch circles. They're not full because I just had some scraps, but it's fine because they are going to be tucked. I combined the 2 6x8 papers together to make this bigger paper on here. I matted this black and white on a scrap of this blue so it pops a little bit more. And then this is the branding strip. I think I'm going to take it and glue it and then just tear it here at the bottom. So I've got some more tearing. So that way I've got my tearing. I'm using the sketch. Oh yeah, and I need to use a throwback item. I was going to use, you guys are going to love this. Where is it? There it is. Nope, that's not it. Is this it? A crimper. So I'm going to use a crimper and crimp this. I might even crimp all my circles. Yes, I think I will crimp all my circles as well. But we're crimping things and then we'll tear it. So let's get that glued down. Oh my gosh, it won't go straight now. That's what I'm blaming it on. The fact that it's crimped, not because I put things on crooked. We're gonna... There we go. And then I'm gonna tear this. So that's torn as well. Okay, so we've got that. I really like the way that looks. I'm going to crimp. See, this one's like a moon, but I'm going to crimp my circles in all different ways. Down there. And then we've got this Go See Do is our title. Yeah, and we'll do, I've got all my embellishments from my kit over there, so... Okay, let's get some prize ribbon stenciling going. I just wanted to add some more of that bright blue in the background so it doesn't look out of place. Because it kind of, I mean, it kind of does. but I like it. Oh, that's hardly any. There, off the page. All right. How's that looking? I like that. Okay. I mean, Go See Do doesn't really match the title. Oh no, I hate when that happens. It's kind of fun feeling that now corrugated. Okay. I mean, I think we can use that as our title. Yeah, I gotta figure out summer embellishments here. Add that right there. That was on this washi sticker. Stay on the sunny side. All right. I feel like we could label those there and then put stay on the sunny side. So we got some stuff used there. We got washi. And washi here, along with favorite photo of the day. And my embellishments are going to just be a little bit different just because, yeah, I have I turned it. So summer Go See Do, and then summer tradition. We'll use this tag. a little piece of ribbon in it. Do summer tradition. Just do this blue. Alright, so I got that down. I put some ribbon in my tag. We'll let that dangle a little bit. I can journal a tiny bit right over here. Added this washi, this circle, kind of just create a little cluster. Ghosty Doo doesn't really, I don't know. It matches, but it doesn't match. I think it's just cute and pretty how blue it is. I love that. Oh yeah, I was going to glue this little arrow down. Not sure where. And we're just going to write the date. What was this? All right, just journaled a little bit what it's a photo of, but there you have it. Got all my items for scrap 5. Got lots of blue for Amanda's celebration. Make sure you check out everybody who's playing with both things down below. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye.